Hi guys, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy and this is free audit of the website jkmoto.ie. So I'm on a home page and I love that you're showing what you're selling right away. So those kind of perhaps motor accessories. The niche is very easy to find, which is perfect for the conversion rate. I love that the top menu is user friendly. The header is small, so it doesn't push the content below the fold, which is excellent. I would just add taglines such as, describe what the item is, and then obviously add call to action. I'll just shop now, click here, find out more, so people can see right away what you're selling. It's defined, and then there is call to action, so people can act upon it, click and shop, which will further improve your conversion rate and sales. Shopify, it's good that you've got a heading title here. Make sure to make it more SEO friendly. So add your target keywords, such as you can specify shop for bike accessories, motorbike accessories, or something that matches your niche and that is one of your keywords, which is much better for the conversion rate, and also optimize other titles the same way. The footer has got further links. I will just add shipping and returns policy. If you have got them under FAQs, that's good, but remember to have them easy to find and don't make people guess or estimate where they could be. This is really bad for the conversion rate. Don't confuse buyers. Make the content this kind of key content, which is really important for sales. Make it easy to find. Make it very, very clearly marked. People will want to see how much is the delivery, whether you ship to their country, how long is the delivery, and obviously how long is the returns period, whether they can return anytime, whether they can use the item and then expect a refund. So if you haven't got this specified, you risk negative feedback and obviously a lot of disappointed customers. So have this kind of information easy to find. The collection page looks great. So you've got 4 items per row, very, very nicely organized. I will just put 3 items per row. The images will be bigger. It will give more details for people to see the difference between each glove and decide which one they want to click, which one they want to find out more about. It will improve the user experience and obviously sales in the process. The product page looks great. You've got add to cart above the fold, unique product descriptions, and also related products, which is really, really good. Remember to add more trust signals such as about us page and obviously those policies mentioned earlier. These always help you improve your sales, help you improve your conversion rate, and help you build your rapport and authority because people want to know what kind of experience you've got in this particular niche. So if you've got like plenty of years experience selling motorbike accessories, or even if you're a motorbike enthusiast, this really counts because people can see you know what you're talking about. They can trust your judgment when it comes to the product selection, which will further help you improve your sales. Your SEO scores 35 out of 100, which is quite low, especially for this tool. Normally, I get the result of in range of 50, 60 per 100. So that's definitely something that is not set up correctly with your SEO. I would investigate it because it can affect your sales, can affect your traffic coming to the website, and obviously affects your Google ranking as well. You seem to have 2 domains, but without 301 redirect. Google reads them as 2 separate websites with a duplicate content, which can affect your SEO. The Google snippet is not defined, so remember to define your meta title and meta description for every piece of content. So homepage, pages, blog posts if you will be blogging, obviously products, collections, and so on. This is really important because Google snippet is displayed in the search results. You're missing H1 tags, remember to add it, and obviously use more variety of tags between H1 and H6, all in the order. As I mentioned, title tag, meta description tag are missing, so they're not defined. Keyword consistency, you're not ranking for any defined keywords, so remember to optimize your content further to help you rank for those keywords. You need more content, and remember to optimize any images with SEO-friendly alt tags. It also helps your SEO. And also remember to integrate your website with Google Analytics. It's a free tool with plenty of data as to where your traffic is coming from and how to improve your conversion rate further to see which traffic channel converts the best for you. I hope you liked this audit. If you did, please leave a positive review on my Trustpilot profile. The link is in the email. And if you would like to learn how to fix any of the issues mentioned in the audit, how to improve your conversion rate, how to get more traffic and convert more visitors into paying customers, please book a free chat. This 15-minute non-obligation chat with a Shopify expert is available for everyone who booked the audit. So don't miss this opportunity. Ask the Shopify expert any questions you might have about optimization of your online business. Book the chat now. The link is in the email. Thank you so much for your time. If you like this video, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular SEO and e-commerce tips. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Bye bye.